Dear students, here I have discussed some important formula or important relation regarding magnetic properties of materials. These relations are very important for solving various numerical problems. Remember these relations. First one is the permeability, mu equals to B by H, magnetic flux density by magnetic field. Susceptibility, chi m equals to m by H. This is the expression of susceptibility. Permeability in general, mu naught, mu r. Mu naught is the free space permeability. The value is 4 pi 10 to the minus 7 SI unit standard value, and mu r is the relative permeability. Number 4, B equals to mu naught H plus m. M is the intensity of magnetization. Net magnetic moment per unit volume. So remember this relation. This is very important relation. Relation between B and H. B equals to mu H. Mu means mu naught mu r. So this is first relation. This is second relation. Third one, m equals to mu 1 minus 1 into H. Remember these three relations. Relation between relative permeability and susceptibility. Mu r equals to 1 plus chi m. Point number 6. Dipole moment. Pm equals to 12 into m vector from negative to positive direction. Okay. Negative pole to positive one. Number 7, orbital magnetic moment of an electron. This is the expression of orbital magnetic moment. N EH by 4 pi me. N can be varied 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And this term within bracket EH by 4 pi me, it has a special name. It is called Bohr magneton. Bohr magneton. EH by 4 pi me. M is the rest mass of electron. This is called Bohr magneton. It can be treated as unit. So M equals to small n. Sorry, this is small n. Small n into mu b. Mu b is the Bohr magneton. This is the expression of one Bohr magneton. If it n equals to 2 EH by 4 pi 2 Bohr magneton and so on. So Bohr magneton is a unit. Of orbital magnetic moment. Number 8, Landiji factor. This is the expression of Landiji factor where J equals to L plus S. Remember this expression. So next one, number 9, point number 9, the classification of magnetic material. This is very, very important. Classification of magnetic material. So magnetic material can be classified as diamagnetic, paramagnetic, ferromagnetic, antiferromagnetic and ferrimagnetic material. Okay, there are 5 classification of magnetic material and their properties, respective properties are mentioned in brief. Relative permeability is less than 1. Susceptibility is negative for diamagnetic material. These are the examples of diamagnetic material. Sorry, this is copper. These are the properties of paramagnetic material. These are the properties of ferromagnetic material. For antiferromagnetic material, magnetic moment equal and opposite magnetic moment. As a result, it shows null magnetic field, no effective magnetic field. Chromium, manganese oxide are various examples of antiferromagnetic material. Ferrimagnetic material, unequal and opposite magnetic moment. So there must be residual magnetic moment, unbalanced magnetic moment. These are the examples of manganese iron oxide is the example of ferrimagnetic material. So this is the classification some properties in brief and various examples of magnetic materials. Okay. So next one, point number 10, Langevin theory of diamagnetism. Susceptibility chi equals to this one. It is written over here. So the important point to be noted is that it is negative. First one is a negative. Second one is independent of applied field. There is no electric field expression over here and no temperature over here. So it is also independent of temperature. Okay. So this is the property of susceptibility for diamagnetic material. Langevin theory of paramagnetism. This is the Langevin theory of paramagnetism, C by T. C is the Curie constant. Okay. Weiss modification I have already discussed in theoretical portion. This is the susceptibility in case of paramagnetic material by after Weiss modification. This is called Curie-Weiss law, C by T minus theta. Theta is the Curie temperature. Number 12, Curie-Weiss law of ferromagnetism. This is the Curie-Weiss law of ferromagnetism. Expression looks like same, but they are different parameters. C theta, they have different expressions. They should have different expressions. C equals to this one and theta equals to this one. Theta is the Curie temperature, C is the Curie constant. Okay.